Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and we are finally to the week of Halloween. So I decided we're gonna pull out all the stops today and make the scariest recipe of all, goulash. Goulash, we're making goulash. Let's go ahead and dive in. As with most of our recipes, this goulash is full of veggies. So let's dice up a green pepper and an onion and slice up a whole bunch of celery and a package of vegan Italian sausage. With that prep done, put a very large pot on the stove and drizzle in some olive oil. We're gonna let that heat up a little and toss in your onion, garlic, salt, and some Italian seasoning. At this point, I want to give a huge shout out to my mom for buying us a brand new set of pots and pans. I think they look absolutely great, don't you think? Thanks, Mom. We're gonna simmer this for about 5 minutes and then toss in our celery, green peppers, and sausage. Let that simmer for another 5 minutes. Now we're going to add 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, water, and a box of macaroni pasta. Turn the heat to medium and let that cook covered for 25 minutes. Give that a taste and add anything you think it might be missing. Mine needs some pepper and a little bit more salt. I'm going to sprinkle in some red pepper flakes too, because you know I love my spice. Now that it's all done cooking, let's go ahead and plate this dish. All right, let's give this a taste. This is a recipe I've had a lot growing up and I still love it to this day. There is so much savory flavor packed into this dish and it's so easy to make. Well, that is gonna do it for today. I wanna thank you so much for watching. Let us know if there's any recipes you'd like us to try in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe for future vegetarian and vegan meals, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Bye.